Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on FedEx.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in FedEx.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official FedEx website. Now from the home page, click on Sign Up or Login option at the top right corner and then click on Sign Up/Login from the drop-down menu as well. This will now take you into the login portal for your FedEx.com account. Just type in your user ID within the user ID box that you have created while signing up, or you can also enter your email address. You can then type in your account password underneath within the password section, and finally click on the login button and you will be logged into your FedEx.com account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your User ID or Password option underneath the login button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on FedEx.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.